Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a brokerage account and enabling two-factor authentication. Choose cash or margin based on your plan. Next, define a concrete trading goal, day trade, swing, or long-term, and set risk per trade at 1 to 2%. Fund with a small amount, such as $500 to $2,000, and start on paper trading to learn without real losses. Once comfortable, move to live trades gradually. Keep a simple checklist so you don't skip essential steps. You now focus on executing a single strategy consistently. Pick trend following, mean reversion, or breakout so you can learn patterns. Use chart timeframes that match your style, from 1 minute to 1 day, and apply indicators like EMA, RSI, and volume to confirm signals. Plan precise entries, stop losses, and profit targets before you click buy. Journal every trade with rationale and outcome. Once done, review weekly to spot mistakes and adjust position sizing and rules for better. You finish each trading cycle by conducting a weekly review focusing on win rate, expectancy, and maximum drawdown to measure real progress. Then, adjust rules. Trim setups that consistently lose and scale winners incrementally while controlling position size. Make sure taxes and record keeping are in order. If things go wrong, troubleshoot systematically. Confirm platform connectivity, check for slippage or order execution problems, and watch for emotional bias. Step back and paper trade until your plan proves reliable again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.